Among 7 billion human beings, firstly, I am one of them. Everybody wants a happy life. Everybody want to overcome our problem. And everybody has every right to achieve a happy life, successful life. So, as a human being, I also pray to Buddha, the entire 7 billion human beings eventually should reach more happier world. So, the happier world will not materialize through only prayer, but through our action. Particularly you Indians. I think you, 1,000 years, you have the tradition of ahimsa and the tradition of religious harmony. This is almost unique on this whole planet. So now, I hope the Bodh Gaya also in India, all the Buddha's teachings flourish from here to different part of the world. So you Indians, you see, should lead, develop the world, peaceful world. That means no longer any problem, not that way. Problem there. The only way is when we tackle problem through non-violence, through understanding, and also religious harmony. So, that's one thing. Then out of 7 billion human beings, I think maybe, I think around 1 billion maybe Buddhist, or at least person who has interest about Buddhism. Maybe now around 1 billion, maybe. So I'm one of them. So Buddha, to Buddhists, Buddha, our teacher, our master. But at the same time, in the eyes of ordinary people, Buddha Shakyamuni also considered as a philosopher and thinker. And even some extent, I think we consider Buddha as an ancient scientist. Because, you see, he teach one sort of sentence he mentioned, "Oh, my follower, bhikkhus and scholars should not accept my teaching out of faith. Rather, your own thorough investigation, experiment. Through experiment, investigation, if you develop convinced, then you should accept my teaching." This is a very scientific way to approach. Clear. So, I'm one of the Buddhists. I'm a follower or one of the students of Buddha. So, I carry Buddha's message of love, message of Mahakaruna, patience. And then one unique thing about Buddhism, Buddha's teaching is concept of the interdependency. That's something very unique. Paticca, Sanskrit word paticca. You see, that is something very unique. No other sort of philosopher mentioned that. So that also is quite similar in modern sort of science, quantum physics. Nothing exists by objective, but very much related with sort of mental discrimination. So that sort of view very helpful. You see, to look reality. Reality interdependent, like environment issue. People, human beings, and in human case also, you see, nation to nation, heavily interdependent, like the modern economy, global economy, like that. And even if you take care about our physical, we have to take care about our emotions. Just if you get some treatment for physical level, not sufficient. We must take care about peace of mind, calm mind, in order to develop healthy body. Clear? So we need holistic view. So here the Buddha's unique sort of message of interdependency or paticca, very, very useful. I also sharing with my friends this idea, this view taught by Buddha, come from Buddhism, but it applicable to every sort of field, economy field, ecology field, and unity, international sort of relations everywhere. This is something very, very important. Now your question, Tibet. Yeah. Tibet. I'm Tibetan. We are passing through difficult period, but we have to. Long run, I think sometimes I'm sort of expressing our struggle is some kind of competition, power of gun, power of truth. So long run, power of truth, I believe, more stronger than power of gun. Thank you.
现在不现在。 Go.